Hi, my name is Kyle Chester-Marsden and welcome to our how-to series here at Fieldpiece Instruments. Today I'll be showing you how to maintain the mesh filter in the Fieldpiece recovery machine. So firstly, the mesh filter maintenance is applicable to both our MR53 recovery machine as well as our MR53 ATEX certified recovery machine. I'll be carrying this out today with the MR53 model. So to do so, let's take a closer look at the machine. So we first need to identify the inlet port, and once we've done so, we take a 20mm spanner and just loosen the locking nut here by turning the nut anti-clockwise. Once it's loose enough, we can undo the whole fitting using our hands until the port comes all the way off. What this does is expose our mesh filter that sits neatly inside the brass fitting on our inlet port. And in order to get this mesh filter out and check over the condition, we'll need to use a thin instrument like a terminal screwdriver. So as you can see, now that we've removed the filter, it's nice and clean, but after time this can potentially block up due to particles becoming trapped on the mesh after a recovery. So why do we need to clean this filter and put it back in the machine? Well, if we just remove the filter entirely, it will result in any large particles or contaminants entering the machine and becoming deposited into the compressor inside. Ultimately, this would cause the recovery machine to fail prematurely, so a quick check and clean out of the filter every now and then is a much more preventative solution. To clean the filter, we just need to use a soft brush to swipe away any of the debris that's stuck on the filter itself, or alternatively, if the filter has started to disintegrate or is simply in a state where it's not easily cleaned, you can replace the filter entirely using the spares that are provided with the machine. To replace the filter, we simply put the filter back into position in the fitting and reattach to the machine, ensuring that we tighten up the locking nut to avoid any potential refrigerant leaks on the machine. So that's how to carry out a mesh filter maintenance on the Fieldpiece recovery machine lineup. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more great videos.